welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for October 31st, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 7:22 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 5:46 p.m. Is there a full moon on Halloween? Seasonal artwork presents all sorts of perceptions of ghosts, goblins, black cats, jack-o'-lanterns, witches, and full moons. The moon is not full tonight. The full phase, known as the hunter's moon, occurred 3 nights ago. Certainly, the moon looks kind of full, but yet it does not. It is distinctly gibbous, and likely those who have imbibed in adult beverages during a late-night Halloween party might call it full. This morning, the phase is 92% illuminated, while this evening it is slimmer, 87% lit. A Halloween full moon occurs every 19 years. The most recent occurred in 2020, while the next one 2039. Next year's Halloween moon is a very slim crescent moon, 1% illuminated, that is less than 10 degrees from the sun. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. During morning twilight, the bright gibbous moon, 92% illuminated, is halfway up in the west. It is 9.0 degrees to the upper right of Aldebaran, Taurus' brightest star. Use a binocular to spot the Pleiades star cluster, over 10 degrees to the lower right of the lunar orb. They are too far apart to fit into the same binocular field of view. Bright Jupiter is less than 15 degrees above the western horizon and far below the moon. It is nearly between Hammel, the brightest star in Aries, and Menkar, part of Cetus. Farther eastward, Venus, rising nearly 4 hours before sunrise, is about 30 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. It is 11.7 degrees to the lower right of Dimbula, the lion's tail. For most of October, Leo marched eastward in front of Leo, passing Regulus October 9th. This morning, Venus is over 20 degrees to the lower left of that star. Its eastward dance continues, passing Dimbula in a wide conjunction tomorrow morning and crossing the Leo-Virgo border November 3rd. In the evening sky, Mercury and Mars are setting shortly after sunset and lost in the sun's light. Mercury is heading toward an evening appearance and Mars is moving toward its solar conjunction. An hour after sunset, Jupiter and Saturn are visible. Saturn is easier to see over 30 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. The ringed wonder is nearing the end of its retrograde in front of Aquarius, 6.7 degrees to the upper left of Deneb Alchdi, Capricornus tail, and over 20 degrees to the upper right of Fomalhaut, the mouth of the southern fish. Bright Jupiter is about 10 degrees above the eastern horizon at this hour, but in another 60 minutes, it is over 20 degrees up. The moon is rising at this time, long after the trick-or-treaters have returned with their sugar caches. By 3 hours after sundown, that 87% illuminated moon is over 10 degrees above the east-northeast horizon, 3.4 degrees to the right of Elnath, Taurus northern horn, and over 13 degrees to the left of Aldebaran. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.